Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can download Grok 3 in mobile. In order to do so, here we are on the Apple App Store, but the same concept applies for the Google Play Store as well. So here in the App Store, we're just going to go ahead and go to search, and we are going to search for Grok. And there you go. You could see Grok AI Assistant, and we have that installed already. So you could see it says open. If you haven't installed yet, then it'll say install. So you can go ahead and click on that and install it. You can also get access to Grok through X as well. So if you don't want to have two apps, then you can just download one or the other. But you can access Grok through X as well. But if you want all of the functionality, then you are going to want to download the Grok standalone app. And again, the same concept applies with the Android as well. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you will find our socials and top AI recommendations. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we'd greatly appreciate it. Finally, if you're looking for a new online bank, check out Simply Financial. In the link tree, you will find a referral link to Simply Financial, and if you click on that to open up an account, you can get $50 to start. Once you've started your account, if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral, and they can get $50 to start. It's a great deal. Simply Financial is a fantastic bank and comes highly recommended.